Hello everyone, today is November 17, 2025, and I'm going to talk about how can we trade stocks during after hours using Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation or TWS. So to trade stocks, first of all, we need to go to the order entry part of TWS. And the first thing we need to do is to input the ticker symbol or the stock symbol that we would like to trade. So the particular example that we're using here is Matter. And after we input the symbol here, the S and big price will show up on this portion. So during the after hours, one tricky part is the spread is usually much bigger. So for a big tech stock like Matter, usually the bid and ask price is pretty tight. During the normal trading hours, it's usually it's like 1 or 2 cents. And for now, since we are in the after trading hour, we can see that the spread right now, the spread means the difference between the S and bid price is 39 cents. So that part is due to during the after trading hour, there's not much liquidity as there like a much better liquidity during the regular trading hours. And then we also need to specify, do we want to sell or buy the stock? And finally, only limit price is available during the after hour tradings. So we cannot use like market order or the other thing. So I think it's to protect the investor because there's not much liquidity. So usually we can try to put the medium of the two. So now let's put into like a select buy or sell. So we select buy, and then the tricky part is on here. We need to click the date menu in this part, and then make sure you click the fill outside RTH option. So if you don't do that, then you cannot submit like a after hour order. So RTH means regular trading hours. When selecting this, it's basically telling TWS that we are intended to trade after, like outside of the regular trading hours. And after that, we can click submit button. So once we do that, this order confirmation window will pop up in the software. And in this part, it's showing the order details. So in this particular example, we are putting like a $601 and 20 cents as the limit price. And we are going to buy like a 100 shares. So make sure to check this information is correct. So the amount that we're going to pay is $660,120 in total. So this is correct. And then the commission range is like 8 cents to 67 cents there. So since I'm using a tier fee structure, Interactive Brokers will not charge like a fixed commission. It's usually like a range. So I never figure out how they did price their commission, but usually it's like several cents to several tens of cents. And the total amount is like the amount that we're going to pay and the commission fee. So if you find this part annoying, you can also click the check this checkbox to let the software know that you don't want to see this confirmation page anymore. It will directly transmit your order. However, I don't recommend doing that. Usually, it's a good practice to always check the price is what you want there. So to avoid any surprise. And once everything is ready, you can click the transmit button. So the after hour trading time is 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time if you're living in New York, and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific time for people who live in place like California. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing also helps the algorithm recommend similar videos to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.